Let's talk organizing your bathroom. Anyone have a messy one? Yeah, drawers just overflowing with stuff. Well, this morning our organizing expert has some tips on keeping your bathroom tidy. Here's Vicki Norris with more.
Vicki Norris of Restoring Order. Undoubtedly one of the most disorganized spaces in every home are the bathrooms, and the master bathroom is no exception. Now I want you to be prepared. When you start organizing this space, you're going to be doing some cleaning. So I like to use a non-toxic essential oil cleaner, and I keep this guy in my shower. Okay, let's talk shop. If there's one place in your life to be a minimalist, it's in the bathroom. One thing that I've done to make that easier for me is I've upgraded from all my conventional products to natural non-toxic products. They cost a little bit more, which has made me accumulate less. All right, one of the best strategies to take back your bathrooms is to purpose each cabinet and drawer. Now in my bathroom, this is personal care, and I have made use of the vertical space with this stacking drawer system, and then just captured my back stock of products in a nice metal bin. So in this column of drawers, the top drawer I have purposed for beauty, and inside I have things like facial products and makeup and even nail products. The next drawer down I've purposed for dental supplies, and as you can see, I've used these nice metal trays with divided sections to keep things organized. The final drawer in this column I have purposed for hair and eyes. The cabinet under Trevor's sink is for travel, and this is where I put all of the bags that I use when we're traveling and all of the extra little containers. Another tip is to keep handy the things that you use the most. For me, I use this little hand mirror, scissors, and my little lint roller all the time. But the other thing that we use multiple times a day and we have to keep in our master bathroom is our pharmacy, and that's our essential oils. We use them for everything you can imagine, and I like to have them right on hand. Okay, the final tip here is to freshen up your space. You're gonna wanna create some rhythms to keep your bathroom up. Maybe weekly, clear off the counters and the sinks. Monthly, tackle a project like washing your makeup brushes or something like that. And annually, do a whole clear out. You know the second law of thermodynamics, everything goes from order to chaos. We don't see that anywhere as clearly as we do the bathrooms. So go ahead and tackle that once a year. I hope you've had some great ideas here to take back your bathrooms, maybe restore your health a little bit too, and reclaim your life.
For that video and more of Vicki's organizing tips, you can head to our website, kptv.com/moregdo.